In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background theme in Outlook on the web. If you want your inbox to feel more like your own, changing the background theme is a quick way to refresh the look without affecting how anything works. We'll walk through where the setting lives, what each option does, and how to make your choice stick. Start by opening Settings. Look to the top right corner of Outlook on the web and click the gear icon. This opens a settings pane on the right side of your screen. It might show a few quick shortcuts at first, but we're going to the full theme controls. In the pane, find and select General, then click Appearance. Appearance is where Outlook groups all the theme options, including color modes and background styles. You'll see a preview area so you can get a feel for how your mailbox will look as you browse the choices. First, decide whether you prefer light or dark mode. Light mode keeps things bright with light backgrounds, which can make contrast strong in well-lit environments. Dark mode uses darker tones, which many people find easier on the eyes in dim rooms and helpful for reducing glare. Neither changes your messages themselves, it just adjusts the interface around them. If you want something more expressive, explore the modern themes. These include designs with background images, like island or sunrise. When you select one, you'll notice the header and the space around your mailbox take on that look, while text and buttons remain legible. These themes are a nice way to add personality without sacrificing readability. Try a few and watch the preview update so you can pick the one that feels right. There's also an option called Use System Setting. Choose this if you want Outlook to match whatever mode your computer uses. If your Windows or macOS theme switches between light and dark at sunrise and sunset, Outlook will follow along automatically. This is great if you prefer a consistent look across apps or you regularly change modes during the day. Once you've settled on a theme, make sure to click Save. This step applies your changes across Outlook on the web. If you close the pane or navigate away before saving, your previous theme will remain in place. You can come back to this exact spot anytime to tweak your choice, so don't worry about committing to one forever. That's it. Thanks for watching.